Hello my crafty friend, it's Trinae and I am going to walk you through this magnetic bookmark I'm going to be making. So I just finished making this little traveler's notebook insert. As you can see from my messy desk, it's like so messy. I just made this insert, and so this is an insert for my planner that I am going to use to document the book that I am reading this month, which is Primary Greatness. So I wanted to create a bookmark for my book because it's actually a real book instead of me reading on my iPad like I usually do. So I want a magnetic bookmark, and so I'm going to use this little tab that they give you with the Cocoa Daisy kit. So you get like these little tabs, and as you can see, they gave quite a bit of them. I'm going to use this one, and I am going to make this where it'll be magnetic and it'll kind of hold on to my pages and I don't have to worry about it falling out or anything. So as you can see, this is, let's see if I can get it to zoom. This is the magnet that I'm using. You can see how teeny tiny it is. Like, this is a stack of them, and I will be using probably 2 of them. I don't see it taking a whole lot to get it to stay closed because it's not going through like something super heavy. It's just a couple of sheet of papers. So I am going to put it on here. This is actually like the packaging that comes with their kits. I think it had this this planner clip on there, and I honestly could use this for my bookmark, but I don't want to. I want to create something. All right, so let's get started. So I'm not going to be showing this like Cocoa Daisy part. And these are almost exact when it comes to like the sizing of these. So I figured I'll just use this and be done with it. So I'm lining this up on this edge. Actually, I'm going to turn it this way to make sure I have it straight. I'm going to line it up here. And then I'm just going to grab a pencil and give myself a little mark to let me know where I need to trim so that these will be the same size. Alright. So now that that's cut down to size, all I'm going to do is grab my favorite tape. You guys, I really do love score tape. So I'm going to add this onto here. I'm just kind of eyeballing it to see where I want it. I will come through and I will trim like this, the yellow part off. Alright, so now I need to put my little magnet in place. And it's going to go right here on the back. And then I'll put another one on the back side of this one. So the first thing I am going to do is grab a little bit of that score tape and put it right here in the middle. Don't need a whole lot. I'm just going to stick that on there, and then I am going to grab some washi tape. And I'll stay in keeping with this theme. Now, another thing you could do if you wanted to, you could laminate this before you add your magnet. That'll increase like the longevity of it, but I probably will be changing these out every month when I get new kits. So I'm not really worried about it. I'm gonna go this way with it. since you can't see that part of it, I'm not really worried about it. I'm not gonna fuss over it. Alright, so I'm gonna take my scissors and just trim that down. There we go. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. And of course, because I like doing things the hard way, I'm going to stamp everything last, which if you have to do this, stamp your stuff first, because then you have to deal with madness and everything else being in the way. Plus, this stamp set that I'm using, it says seize the book, but it has something else on there, so I had to mask that out, and all I use is some post-it tape. I ink it up with VersaFine, and then I stamp it onto the tab. Alright guys, so that is it for today's project. A super cute little bookmark that has a little magnetic closure. How neat is that? Alright, so if you guys want to follow along with my journey this month with this book, then, you know, be sure to check back at the end of the month. I'll be showing you how I filled up this traveler's notebook insert with all the information about my book, which is Primary Greatness. That's what I'll be reading. This book is, I mean, I've read the first chapter so far, and it's like, oh my gosh, it is so great. So if you're looking for a book to read, I'll leave a link to this one in the description below. But so far, man, it's really good. And I can't wait to, you know, finish it up. And what better could be a fun way to, you know, have a little traveler's notebook and get the scrapbook while we read and add some quotes and color and all that stuff. I got it planned, y'all. So definitely, if you want to, you know, read along with me, then pick up your copy of your book or check the library. If you know, if it's not in your funds to be buying books all willy-nilly, I get it. Go to the library and get it for free $99. Or you can just use the link below and get it from my Amazon affiliate link. But you guys, that is pretty much it for today. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and check out the video on how I made this, how I decorated my cover, and you know, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by and for spending a little bit of time with me. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.